Another beautiful day to be a bear. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Techbit Solutions. Let's go ahead and do a super quick recap. So right off the bat in today's live trading session with my LPP team, we openly shorted SOUN. A lot of you guys have seen that SOUN has caught a lot of attention as it went from $3 per share to $25 per share. One of my favorite setups, and again, this is just me, I love to trade overbought reversals. You identify a stock that is incredibly hyped up that's most likely getting pumped. And that's exactly what this shows to be, right? It's a pumped up AI company. It's a bullshit company that went from $3 to $25. And once that hype fades, then it tends to correct itself. And that's exactly what we were able to capitalize on and again, able to capture in today's live trading session. Just a little heads up, today is officially the last day to sign up for LPP for $1 a day. It's the second link in the description down below if you want to join before prices go up. With that being said, we shorted this thing all the way down to lows of 20.65. I think within the first 8 minutes, SOUN was down 8%. It was like an incredible sell-off, and then it found its support, began to recover, added more to that to the lower high, and then covered again at oversold range. It picked back up, added more to that overbought range, sold off, and again covered my short. Now I'm in a different now instead of going short, I'm actually going long. So right now I'm up about 14 to 13K on the day, and I'm waiting to see if SOUN can begin to recover back up to that moving average. I would love to capture some of that upside. And remember, that's the amazing thing about being able to trade these stocks like Mstr. Again, Mstr was one of those overhyped up piece of shit companies that we talked about at $540 per share. All the crypto wizards were saying, oh man, this is the stock you want to be in. But again, the stock went from $100 to $500 within a super short period of time. And all that this company does, it buys Bitcoin as it borrows against its investors. And that might look great during a bull run, but it's absolutely terrifying once that bear run begins to present itself. And our team has been able to make so much money, being able to actively short MSTR from the highs to the overall lows. This thing is down over 45%. Think about that. 45% since the highs that it made. And you'll always see them comment, oh, this is just a little bit of a pullback. A 50% retracement is not a pullback. It's an absolute crash. And that just means that, again, they don't know how to manage risk. They don't know how to take profits. And they're bag holding, hoping for the best. As of right now, Bitcoin still is above 90,000, so there is no break of pattern. And a lot of MicroStrategy's movement is based off of Bitcoin's price action. So as long as Bitcoin is bullish, MicroStrategy does have the opportunity to hold and maintain its levels around here. But if Bitcoin begins to fall, just know that I will be shorting the life out of MicroStrategy once that opportunity presents itself. But for now, I've had a lot of fun, again, being able to go short and to go long on SOUN. Just wanted to make sure that I'd keep you guys up to date with how it is that I'm doing. We're right, like I said, right around 14K for the day. My goal, again, it being officially the last trading day of the year, December 31st. I want to see if I can hit 25K. Obviously, as we bring on the new year for 2025, I think it would be a great milestone to try to see if I can actually get to that target while still trying to focus on taking advantage of quality setup. So again, I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It's linked down below. And I'll be posting updates as they present themselves. Again, if you want to join LPP, they get to watch me trade live every day. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you can join right now for $1 a day with the current set we have going on before prices go up. And they will be going up at midnight. So again, second link in the description down below. And this is your final chance to join for that $1 a day sale. So I appreciate your time. I hope that earns a thumbs up. Never be afraid to lock in profits, especially during these very volatile markets. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.